Hello students, good morning students. Today I am explaining you excellent trick for Grignard reagent students. Previous mains examination, NEET examination point of view about on Grignard reagents, so many questions are came students, related questions with Grignard reagent. It is very important for NEET as well as mains examination. First of all, how to prepare a Grignard reagent? What is the general formula of Grignard reagent? General formula. Grignard reagent is RMGX. Another expression ARMGX. ARMGX. Here R indicates alkyl group and AR indicates aryl group. X indicates halogen. So what is the preparation of the Grignard reagent? Dear students, preparation. Grignard reagent is prepared from haloalkanes. Haloalkane general formula Rx. On reaction with magnesium in presence of dry ether, the solvent is dry ether here. So magnesium is insertion takes place between R and halogen, then RMGX. Like that, aryl halides. ARX. Magnesium in the presence of dry ether. Magnesium insertion takes place between AR and X, ARMGX. So this is the preparation of the Grignard reagent. Here, what is the nature of the Grignard reagent? That is important. Nature of Grignard reagent is important, student, for understanding properties of the Grignard reagent. Here Grignard reagent RMGX, for suppose, here the metal, what is the metal is present here? Magnesium. Magnesium group number is second A group element. Second A group element common oxidation state is +2. Here the magnesium common oxidation state +2. Halogen common oxidation state is -1. For balancing +2 on the R, that means carbon having which charge? -1. Here the -1, -1, -2. Here the +2. Charge is balanced. So here in the Grignard reagent, what is the nature? That means what is the charge on the R? Negative charge. So negatively charged spaces, that means carbon having the negative charge, based on that it is maybe act as a nucleophile based on the reaction condition, or maybe it is act as a base. The R minus act as a nucleophile as well as base. In which condition it is act as a nucleophile, in which condition it is act as a base. That is important, students. Examination point of view, that is important. So in the which condition it is act as a base, and in which condition it is act as a nucleophile. So as a base. As a base. For example, Grignard reagent RMGX react with water molecule. How to dissociate water? H plus OH minus ion. Water releases what? H plus ion. In the Grignard reagent, R is act as a minus, negative charge. So base. Base meaning is what? Abstraction of proton from the acid. So H2O act as a acid and a Grignard reagent act as a base. It is act as a base and H2O act as acid. So acid releases H plus ion. So what is generated? RH. RH we simply called as what? Hydrocarbon. RH simply called as hydrocarbon. One more example, Grignard reagent react with alkyne. It is very important. Most of the students forget this application. So alkynes are acidic in nature because of carbon hybridization is sp. Percentage of s character increases, electronegativity of the element increases, polarity of the bond increases. Polarity of bond increases. So in the alkyne, between carbon and hydrogen, that is more polar bond. This bond is more polar bond because of carbon is more electronegative element, hydrogen leaving as a H plus ion. So this hydrogen has which nature? Acidic in nature. This hydrogen in the alkynes, terminal alkynes, hydrogen connected carbon is more electronegative in nature, that is attract the electrons easily towards itself side, hydrogen leaving as a H plus ion. Here the carbon has negative charge. What is generated here? RH, hydrocarbon. So which molecules possible to releases H plus ion? Which molecules possible to releases H plus ions? H2O, carboxylic acids releases H plus ions, alcohols releases H plus ions, terminal alkynes, not internal alkynes, terminal alkynes releases H plus ions, and amines releases H plus ions. So which molecules possible to releases H plus ion? Grignard reagent act as a base. So the product is hydrocarbon. Don't forget students, this is very important. Applications point of view in the examination, sequence of reactions based. For example, simple Grignard reagent. C2H5, this is the alkyl ethyl group, MgBr, react with the alcohol. What is the product? The product is C2H6, that is ethane. Here H plus ion is releases, C2H5 is the negative charge, C2H5 abstract this H plus ion, C2H6. And one more best example, C6H5 MgBr react with propine, CH3 C triple bond CH. What is releases from here? H plus ion. Yes, C6H5 minus. What is the product? C6H6. C6H6. What is the name of this compound? Benzene. This is the preparation of benzene. Benzene is hydrocarbon. So Grignard reagent act as a base as well as nucleophile. When it is act as a base, so which molecules possible to release as H plus ion? In those cases, Grignard reagent act as a base. So okay students, now I am explaining as a nucleophilic nature in next video. Bye students.